Nick, and there's a lot of cats in the whole wide world. I mean, not home cats, but cats in the wild. They're called, listen to this, big cats. That's it. You know, big cats, big cats, big cats. So the first big cats we're going to talk about is, well, you probably already know. You got to listen up to this one because this is new. It's cougars, or mountain lions, or puma. Yeah, puma. Yeah, the socks you wear, those are pumas. The shirt you wear, and what else? Oh, listen up for this one. You want to listen to this one? It's pretty cool. It's called the leopard. And it looks so same to the jaguar and the cheetahs. The lion and the tigers are also big cats. These are all big cats. Big cats around the world. Big cats around the world. Now let's talk about the first one. Cheetah. Cheetahs run super fast. And if you heard my previous video of cheetah and jaguar's difference, you probably already know cheetahs and jaguars, so I'm not talking about those. And lions and tigers, since I already had to talk about them. And let's focus on mountain lions, cougars, or pumas. What do we call them? Because they have a bunch of names, you know? Bunch of names. So cougars are basically cats that are big, that weigh up to 20 tons, I'll say. A little bit, yeah. And they have a tannish color skin and a white underbelly. And their prey are deers, ocelots. No, okay, that's not even a word. That's not even an animal. Deers, well, wild pigs. They eat a lot of things. For some reason, since they're carnivores. And for leopards, they have spots that help them camouflage, and they live in the jungle. And when they found a prey, they sneak up on them, camouflage with the grass. Yeah! They leap out of grass and jump on their prey, biting them, slashing them, shredding them, and killing them. And they find their meal, and they weigh around, well, probably I'll say 60 tons. Oh well, that's pretty easy. Yeah, big cats aren't really fans. Well, these are all pretty big. You know, the one that has the strongest bite is the jaguar. And the one that is the coolest is the jaguar, the cheetah, the leopard, and the tiger. And lions and the puma are mostly almost the same, but the male lion just has those, you know, curling mane on top of it. Or should I say, big hairs sticking around that. But the female lion and the puma look pretty close, but they just have different colors. Well, bye for today. Well, that was a pretty short video. Yeah, I know. That was a previous video review, okay? So, okay.